friends, welcome to the example presentation for the Young Sudha Championship. You can find more about the Young Sudha Championship in the description below. I am Nivan Katyal and I study at Ran International School, Sector 25, Rohini. Let's watch a presentation by Rihansh Gupta from St. Joseph High School, Panvel. His favorite family activity is to play at the game zone. Over to Rihansh.
Hello everyone, my name is Rihansh Gupta and I am from St. Joseph High School, Panvel, Navi Mumbai. I live with my amazing parents and love to spend time with them. I do many activities with them like photo shoot, cycling, swimming and many more. But my favorite activity with family is going to game zone. I enjoy playing all games over there like air hockey, super bikes, ticket house. But among all these, my favorite game is bowling, as me and my dad love to play together. One weekend, we decided to go to shopping mall and play in the game zone. Yay! I got very excited. After reaching the mall, we started playing Operation Ghost game and then we went to play bowling game. My dad challenged me at the beginning that whoever loses this game has to dance at the entry gate of the game zone. I was tensed because my dad became very competitive while playing with me. We started with the game, but I lost it. As usual, my dad started scoring very high and started teasing me. I was little sad, nervous and did not want to play more. So, my dad came to me and guided me with the tricks to score more. I followed the same and guess what? Yes, I did it and won the game. I narrated my winning story to my mom and we both pulled Dad to the entry gate to perform the loser dance. When Dad was performing, we also joined him and enjoyed the moment. So friends, I will suggest everyone to go to game zone with family and make some exciting memories to cherish for a lifetime. Thank you.
Wow, that was interesting, Rihansh. After watching your presentation, I also want to challenge my dad for a game. Thank you for suggesting such a fun activity. Friends, please watch the presentation carefully and you will see that the photo and Rihansh's speech was perfectly aligned. Basically, you saw on the screen what he was talking about. Rihansh gave his speech with full confidence and smile. We can easily make out he practiced his speech very well. Now it's your turn, friends. Get out there and make some amazing presentation for the Young Sudha contest. Friends, if you like the video, don't forget to give us a like, comment or share. Thanks for watching. Bye.